I usually sharpen my lawnmower blades the beginning of the season because I have St. Augustine. I don't mow the entire winter. In fact, I probably mow my lawn less than 15 times a year. This year, I turned my mower over and got ready to take the blades off, and I noticed this wear on the outer / bottom blade. I've never seen anything like it. It's worn a hole through the blade material, and the tip off here is gone. I just don't have a lot of lawn, and so I was like, you know, time to get new blades. And this is the blades that I have. These are the original blades. You can see it's got the Honda logo here. Lawnmower's maybe 10 years old, but last year at the beginning of the lawn mowing season for me, which is like, yeah, about this time, April-ish, where I maybe will mow once every 3 weeks. You know, I take the blades off, and I didn't notice anything concerning like this last year. So this wear had to have developed over the 12 or so times that I mow the lawn. The bottom blade isn't so bad. You can see that the material is diminished on the ends. I wasn't concerned about the blade coming apart necessarily, which is a concern, but I want the blades to be balanced. So anyway, I thought that was shocking. And you can look at your blades. If you've got an older mower, don't discount the inspection of these blades. I do it annually, and that's all I really needed to do, but I was just shocked that this would develop over the year that I used it. This is the thickness of the blade as it came from the factory, and here's the blade now. So I don't know, kind of kooky, but yeah, just another good reason to inspect these things. I'm probably not going to inspect them more than once a year. I just don't mow the lawn enough, but certainly, you know, learn from this lesson if you can and get those blades checked out.